In this video, I give you all the information you need to start CPA marketing step by step, free websites which you can use to maximize your earnings, and the 4 steps you must follow. The third step is the most important step. If you don't do this, you will say this CPA marketing tutorial for beginners doesn't work. So do these exact steps so that you can start CPA marketing the right way and actually make money. Here you see my CPA marketing earnings. CPA marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. I added my website, promote YouTube videos to avoid people stealing this data. Let me reload the page to show you it's real. Here you see everything is intact. Not everyone who create videos show their earnings. I'm not showing this to brag, but to let you know that the CPM methods I use work, and this advice is coming from someone who actually made money with CPA marketing. All you need to do is follow this CPA marketing tutorial. Do you think you can do these 4 steps? Then give this video a like and let's get started. The first step to get started with CPA marketing is to register with the CPA network. CPA Lead is one of the best CPA marketing networks for beginners. With CPA Lead, you don't have to wait for account approval like most other CPA networks. All you have to do is create an account, and after creating, you are able to log in and start promoting offers. You can use your Facebook account, Gmail account, or use any email to create a free account. I already have an account, so I log in and it shows the dashboard. It can feel complicated now, but keep watching. I will explain everything. Next, click on offers. Let me first go through what that means, and then I will show you some awesome ways to find high-paying offers you can promote with free traffic. The offer type mentions what type of action it is. If you don't know what CPA marketing is, the way you make money with CPA marketing is when someone completes a specific action. So just by getting someone to fill a form, download an application or enter an email, basically getting others to do simple actions, you make money. So CPA marketing is perfect for beginners. Next is a device the person is doing the action on. These are the advertisers. You don't need to care about this. CPA marketing campaigns are often specific to a country. Now don't get confused. You can be from any country, but the person you are promoting this offer to, that person must be from the specific country mentioned here. Since you are just starting out CPA marketing, do this to actually make money from CPA marketing. Set the offer type to email submit and surveys, and the devices to all devices only. Then we are going to take offers one by one for each country. Let's first start with US. Now at the bottom you see the offers. The last column, the most important one, it shows how much you get for each person that completes an action. Stick with me, I will show you next how to get people who actually will want to do these actions so that you can make this money. Now go to the search bar. This is an important step to find the type of offers you can promote and make money with CPA marketing. Type gift here, and then you see different type of gift vouchers. As a CPA marketing beginner, these are the best offers you can use to promote and make money fast. Click on any of the offers and copy this link here. There are people interested in getting these gift vouchers. Basically, by doing a specific action like giving an email address or answering some questions, that person stands a chance to win one of these gift cards. So that's why they will do this action. There are many people who are looking for these types of offers. So what you need to do is give this to those people who want these kind of offers, and when they complete an action, you get paid. I will show you how to find those people, but before that, we need to move on to the next important step. So step 2, you need to go to this free website. This is a URL shortening website which also redirects users to specific destinations based on their country or device. You can register for a free account. Then set the country to US and copy the URL from step 1 and paste it here. Then go to all country and copy another offer URL and paste it here. Then go to another country, for example, Germany, and copy an offer that is related to Germany. And likewise, go on adding as many countries as you want. Then give a name for the URL and press save. This is the link you will use to promote. So copy this link. You now have one URL, and if a person from US clicks on this link, that person will be redirected to the US CPA offer. If someone from Germany clicks this link, it will be redirected to the Germany CPA offer. So you have an offer for anyone from any country. This way you can make money from more CPA offers. Moving on to step 3. If you post the link you copied in step 2 directly, it will be marked as spam and you will not make any money. And you will say this CPA marketing tutorial for beginners doesn't work. So you must do this. Go to this free website and click create. Here write a catchy title. Now this is important to make this work. Keep the status as public. Next, add a small description and include a call to action like click here, and then copy the link from step 2. Type in this final part. Then it will say successfully created. Below that it will give a public link. That is what you need to copy and share. Step 4 is where you find people who would be interested in your offers. I have tried several social media methods and this one is the one that works best for me. Go to Twitter and then the search page. So for example, if you're promoting these gift cards, you can type something like this. But there is another important thing you need to do. This shows the top tweets and those can be old tweets, but you need to look for something that is later. So there is a higher chance of people actually clicking your link and then completing the action so that you make money. Then you can type something like this. Follow the steps here to try your luck and then paste the link you got from step 3. Obviously, not everyone will click on the link. So the more people you find, the more money you will make with CPA marketing. Try with different type of offers and different type of search terms to find the one that works best.